Hi guys, this is Umar. For the last 1 week, I was in a hope Nifty will not cross 15,000, and yesterday when I changed my view, Nifty is reversing. And I made a mistake. I should have waited a little more time. I had 14,700 straddle which I booked minor profit, and since I hoped 15,000 is a strong resistance, I sold 15,200 call which I booked minor loss after Nifty crossed 15,100. Had I waited little more, both the 14,700 straddle and 15,200 call would have been in a good profit. Anyway, there is nothing much we can do. Markets are market. We should be happy with whatever we get, right? And today Nifty was under pressure for major part, and it has closed lower for the second consecutive day. If you could remember, I told in my previous video that Nifty is trading in a tight range of around 90 to 100 points. If this continues, we may see a pullback from current levels. After it gapped up on 18th May, the momentum was not strong enough to take the Nifty to new highs, and we have seen the pullback. And Nifty has formed a bearish candle on a daily chart. Banking, financials, metal, FMCG and select IT stocks all came under selling pressure, and I don't see any sign of strength, and we should not create any long positions on the index. And in fact, we will sell more call if Nifty crosses below 14,800, and I am expecting a target of around 14,700 to 14,500 level. Nifty opened at 1542 and hit the intraday high of 1569 but failed to hold on the level. Till 2 o'clock it tried to close higher, but after 2 o'clock it started falling, and at the end of the session it closed at around 14,096, down by 124 points. And if you see the daily chart, it has been reversing. This is the third consecutive time it is reversing in this particular zone. On 8th of April it reversed that, then on 29th of April it has reversed, and on 19th of April, that is yesterday, it has reversed. So this shows that 15,000 is a very strong resistance. And who knows, it may be also be due to weekly expiry. Maybe tomorrow Nifty will regain and touch 15,000. We have to wait and see. And many analysts were telling that this gap up which happened on 18th of May is going to be a good support, but it has already broken the gap. So we must wait and see what is going to happen on Friday, that is tomorrow. And on option front, maximum put open interest was seen at 14,000, followed by 14,500 strike, while maximum call open interest was seen at 15,000 strike. Call rating was seen at 15,000 and 15,500 strike. Open interest suggests that trading range is from 14,700 to 15,200 level. And if you see the Nifty chart since March end, it has not moved anywhere. It is moving violently up and down, but it has remained in the same place almost for 2 months. These are the times where option sellers make money, and all the straddles, strangles including ratio spread would have made good money. And for Bank Nifty, it opened flat at 33,692 but failed to hold above 33,750 and has fallen towards 33,300 levels. Like Nifty, the second half of the session saw more weakness and closed with a loss of 350 points. And if you see, India VIX moved up further by 1.72% from 19.31 to 19.65 level, but still it is below 20 levels. And today's price action is due to worries over inflation and Fed rate hike. We have to wait and see how markets pan out. For the time being, short run, I don't think market is going to go anywhere, and we might see some range bound action or consolidation in the market. And I was seeing the NSE option chain, and if you see the next month expiry 15,000, let me show you. That is June 24th expiry. 15,000 is having an excellent premium of around almost 700 rupees. 15,000 call is trading at around 320, and 15,000 put is trading at around say 350 rupees. So almost 700 points you have to make money. So you don't have to worry if the market is going down 700 points or shooting up 700 points. I don't think it is going to move up 700 points. It will be in the range bound for the short term. So if you are going to take if you are planning to do any straddle, do 15,000 straddle, which is going to be a good proportion and which is going to give you a good profit. Let me show you how it is going to work. So I'm in Sensible. We'll just try to build a 15,000 straddle. It is around 319, 24th June expiry, 15,000. So if you see, on the downside break even is around 14,336. You don't have to worry if the market still the market is above 14,300. If it goes below 14,300, you are going to be in a problem, so you have to make some adjustment, right? And on the upside, if you see, you don't have to worry unless market crosses above 15,600. I don't think it is going to cross. And you don't have to wait even for 1 month to book profit. You just wait for 1 week, and I'm telling you, market is going to be in range bound only for the coming few days or even next 1 month. We will not see any violent move, and that is what VIX is saying. That is what India VIX is saying. And in fact, I told in my previous video also, this is the almost India VIX is down below 20 for after 100 days. So that's what I mean. So it is the correct time to take straddle, and if you want to take straddle, you can go and take 15,000 straddle, and the premium funds required is 1.77 lakh, and maximum profit is around 50,000. That is, at the end of expiry, if the market is exactly at 15,000, you are going to make a profit of around 50,000. And we know that market is not exactly going to close at 15,000. So you don't have to wait till month end, right? Even 1 week or 2 weeks, if market is range bound, it is going to make a good profit. And in case if you are afraid, you don't want to take straddle, you just take iron fly. You go and buy around 14,300 call on the downside, and you go and buy around 15,600 call on the upside. So it will become iron fly. So still your margin is going to be reduced, and you are protected. You don't have to worry if the market is gapping up or gapping down. So this is just one trade which I have already taken, and I thought I will share with you. So it is going to be a good trade. I'll tell you, you see, maybe after 1 week or after 10 days, I'm going to come out with this trade and see how much is going to be the profit. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.